How to center text in Microsoft Excel. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to center text in Microsoft Excel. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. On your system, open Microsoft Excel. Now, we are going to first start by highlighting whatever you want to center. In the Alignment section of the Home tab, you can see many alignment options. To center alignment text in Excel, click on the icon with a horizontal line in the middle. This is the center button. Click the center button. And that's it. This is how you can simply center text in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.